Hello YouTube. I just wanted to show some nice new backpacker stove grills that I've got. Anyway, this is the Expedition Research Backpacker's Grill, stainless steel. You can get these on Amazon. I got the set that has the small one and the large. They come with a really nice little bag. And I haven't used these yet. We're gonna do some try to use these today and see how they work out. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.